everyone, it's Pippa again. Today I'm here with my little assistant and we're going to be taking you on a tour of our new waterfront listing. Let's check it out. Wowie zowie, look at this front yard. Ah, look over here. Alright, let's go see what's inside. Hey, wait for me! Holy moly, how am I supposed to get over this step? Everyone's already inside. Okay, let me try. 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay, got it. Ooh la la, this is a pretty nice house. Whoa, let me see this view. Wow, it's magical. Oh hey, let's go check out the bedrooms. I heard there's 3. Ooh, what's next? Hey, wait for me. Wait, I almost forgot the best part. This is the best backyard ever! Did you know that these comfy chairs come with the house too? Wait, really? Cool, an outside shower. I've always wanted one of these. Me too! Whoa, this house even has a boat for sale and a boat lift. I kind of want to go on a boat right now. Isn't this so relaxing? Wait, what? It's time to go already? Aw, man. You got it there, buddy? Well, hey, thanks for checking out our newest listing. We'll see you next time.